Are you tired of flushing your money down the toilet? Introducing the new Moen Dual Flush Water-Saving Toilet Conversion Kit. Convert a 13-liter toilet to a water-saving dual flush toilet in minutes, saving you up to 35,000 liters per year. No special tools required and no need to call a plumber. The dual action handle allows for a half flush for liquid waste and a full flush for solid waste. The kit includes both chrome and white tank levers to fit with any bathroom decor. Install the new Dual Flush Water-Saving Toilet Conversion Kit in 3 easy steps. That's all there is to it. Choose your flush and start saving water and money.